Good morning, student. Yesterday we seen how to find the area of polygons. Okay, the figure covered full square and half square. Today we see how to find the area of irregular shapes. Okay, covered full square, half square, less than half square and more than half square. So how to find the area of irregular shape? So there are some rules to find the area of irregular shapes. Area first. Here is already is given. Is small square is the small square area 1 square centimeter. So when the area of this full square is to be taken 1 square centimeter. The area of small square which is half, see here this is half square and more than half. See here this is half and this is again half and more than half means see this figure, this square. Here is more than half area is covered. Okay. So is to be taken as again 1 square centimeter and area of small square which is less than half is not to be considered. See here this area is not considered. This area, see this square, there only this line. So we ignore this both square. So start how to find the area of this figure. So again first step is total number of full square. How much? Count here full square 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get only 4. Okay, here again see here 5 and 6. So we get here 6 full square. Okay, and the total number of half and more than half square, total number of half and more than half. आपको दोनों काउंट करना है, half and more than half squares. How much? See here this is half square. पहले कौन कौन से? This is half. 1, 2, this 3 and this 4. Okay, this is half square and more than half square कौन से है? See here this square, see, and this is square filled more than half, both square. So we count this square and this square also. So we get how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again we get total number of half and more than half square 6. Then again we ignore this is this 2 less than half. So we ignore it. Okay, we ignore this square which are covered by less than half. So we find the area of this figure or of this shape is equal to how much? See here area of this figure, this 6 plus 6. Okay, we get 6 plus 6 12 and unit is square centimeter. So this is your answer. Means area of this figure is 12 square centimeter. Okay, we see here second example. Now see this is figure. This irregular shape is given. Now we find the area of this irregular shape. So first step, what is the first step? Total number of full square. So write total number of full squares. Count first. Full square. We start from a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Means we get total number of full square 11. Now second step is total number of half and more than half. More than half square. How much? So again count. See, this is 1, 2. This is more than half. See here, more than half. 1, 2, 3. Again 3. This is half. 4. Okay. This is again 5. And this is 5. We get only 5 half and more than half square. And less than half square, we ignore it. See, this is less than half. This square is less than half. Again, this square is less than half covered. Okay, so we ignore this 2 square. So, area of the shape is equal to, this is 11 and this is 5. 11 plus 5, 16. And unit is square centimeter. So, area of this figure is 16 square centimeter. Now, see here, this is figure. In this figure, shaded area is only this ring. Okay, so you have to count only the number of square in this ring, not inside the ring. Okay, so your figure is only this circle, 2 circle ring. So we first count the total number of full square. Here we ignore this inside the area. We count only this ring, shaded figure. Okay, so we count. Here is no full square. So we write here 0. Okay. Then half and more than half. So we count here. Half and more than half. See here. This is more than half. This is again more than half. More than half. Again more than half. Half filled square. Again this is half filled square. Half filled square. Again more than half. More than half. Again more than half. This is more than half. This is also more than half. This is half filled square. Again this is more than half and this also more than half. Now we count the total number of how much? See here we count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, sorry, we get one more here. Okay, so now again we start from count first 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Means the total number of half and more than half square we get 16. Now see we get 16 half filled and more than half square. And we ignore this less than half. This ignore this less than half. We ignore this square. So we get the area of the shapes is equal to 16. We get only 16. 0 plus 16, 16. 16 square centimeter. In this way you have to complete the question number 2 from exercise 10.3 in your notebook. Try to draw this figure in your notebook and complete the given question. Okay, and also try to solve the representation and worksheet. See here, find the area and here find the perimeter of these figures. Okay, so and try to solve this worksheet. Okay, thank you.